What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JD Live, man. I'm live in effect, and today we're gonna talk about how not to get copyrighted on YouTube. Now, a lot of y'all are probably YouTubers or thinking about doing YouTube. Now, I want to tell y'all about being copyrighted. First, before we get into this video, make sure y'all hit the like button already. It does well for the channel, so more and more people can get this value. Comment, subscribe to the channel. If you are new, we're on the road to 10K. But I want to, get some value in this video, man. Try to help some of you guys out, man. How you cannot get copyrighted. Before we get into this video, man, I'm gonna be real, man. It's hard not to get copyrighted on YouTube. You feel me? Like, it's hard not to get copyrighted on YouTube, man. Like, if y'all reaction channels, I'm a reactor. Y'all already know I do reactions on my channel, man. And a lot of videos I refuse to do because, it gets copyrighted, And what copyrighted means is that, see, when reaction channels, when we react to music or react to other people's content, legally that is not our content. We don't have the rights to that content. But some of the people who own that content allow reactors, to react to their content because they don't really care. Some people do care. Some people I've seen left strikes on, on videos because they don't want, reactors reacting to their content or feel like they're stealing their content, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, like, it's either a hit or miss, like, you can react to a video and it's all good and you won't get copyrighted, but then you can react to a video and it just gets copyrighted just because the person, just felt like copyrighting you, you know what I mean? Like, or they don't want you, making revenue off of their content, like reaction channels, when they have ads in their videos, you obviously know Google, paying, YouTubers ad revenue money, you know what I'm saying? So when they have ads in their videos. So, like, there's a couple ways how you can kind of not get copyrighted in a sense, but it's really, really hard, man. Like, if you have a reaction channel, if you react to music or you have music playing in your videos, like, that's just what it is. It's YouTube, that's the rules, that's what you got to deal with making that type of channel. Now, if you're a finance channel, if you're a, a video game channel, fashion channel, y'all don't have to really worry about copyright unless y'all using, like, not copyrighted music in y'all backgrounds, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, like, it's kind of hard not to get copyrighted. Like, sometimes you can, you can pause the video when you're reacting to videos. You can pause it every now and then and talk about it, add your commentary and stuff like that. Or you can, like, you kind of edit the sound a little bit to try to make it seem like, try to edit the sound a little bit so it won't sound like the original, so you can kind of slide through. But YouTube got a lot of, moderators and stuff like that, so they be checking, you know what I mean? So, like, it's kind of hard to not get copyrighted on YouTube. Like, I'm not gonna make it seem like it's just something that, my bad, y'all. I just want to have a disclaimer. I know the phone kept ringing. I know y'all can still hear me. I just want to apologize for that little disclaimer. But, yeah, I'm trying to speaking real loud. But yeah, let me see. How can I go over it a little bit more in depth, man, so y'all will be more aware of, That's why sometimes on my channel, y'all be seeing me, react to comedy or I react to non-music. Because 9 times out of 10, music gets copyrighted on YouTube. YouTube, like, I'm not going to lie. Sometimes you're able to, make videos and, react to music. And you're able to slide by sometimes. But it's rare. It's really, really rare. I'm not going to say 100% of the time music gets copyrighted. Because I got some reactions on my channel that me reacting to music that's, I have ads in it, Like, I'm getting paid from those videos, So it's every now and then. A couple tips is, try not to, react to, if you're a reaction channel, try not to react to stuff that, are, like, I want to say by a huge artist, or just, do your research. Do more research on it. Like, you can easily do your research up on it. Go on Google, do more research about these certain, artists and companies and music record labels and all that stuff. Like, do your research pretty much, man. But, like, I still enjoy what I do. I enjoy what I do on YouTube. I entertain, I'm hoping I'm entertaining you guys through these videos. Let me know if I'm doing a good job. It's my hobby. It's what I like to do in my free time. And, I enjoy it. I don't do it for the money. I do it to motivate, inspire, entertain. And it's dope. You know what I mean? I've been doing this for almost 3 years. And I'm going to continue to keep going for 3+ years. You know what I mean? Because it's just something I like doing, and it brings joy and fulfillment. So it's dope. So yeah, man. Getting copyrighted, it just comes with the game, man. If you're a reaction channel, I know a lot of y'all reactors out there can relate to what I'm saying. Like, it just comes with the game. It comes with the game. A lot of reaction channels, like, y'all seen with all these views, like, a lot of those music reactions that they're doing, they're copyrighted, man. You know, the record label, they copyrighted their music. You know, they don't want to share the revenue. You know, like they feel like it's their music, it's their rights. They receive all the revenue from the video. You know, the reactor shouldn't get anything because that's their rights, that's their music. You know, but some companies, some record labels, some artists. Even, you know, when you react to some YouTubers' content, a lot of YouTuber content wouldn't really copyright your stuff. Some will, some have, you know, but some really don't care. You know what I mean? It is what it is, you know, but it's just a hit or miss, man. If you can get around it, you know, by using some of the tips and strategies I sent y'all in this video, y'all could probably get around it, you know, pausing it, doing commentary, you know, tweaking the sound a little bit, editing the sound if you're really good at editing, or, you know, just reacting to non-music. You know, you can kind of slide by sometimes, but at the end of the day, man, you know, like, do, you know, make YouTube videos because you genuinely just want to put out content. You genuinely just want to help, you know, help people, motivate people, you know, make people laugh, entertain people, man. Don't just do it for the money. Don't just be trying to chase money, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, and yeah, like, I'm trying to see if I got any other tips and strategies that you guys can definitely use. Let me see. Oh, we could talk about strikes too, like a copyright strike. Strikes are bad. Like, you don't want to get a strike. Like, I've never gotten a strike before, but I've heard people would get, you know, if you get 3 strikes, then they could, like, literally terminate your channel. Like, your channel could be gone. And that would hurt if you had 3 strikes. And you can get a copyright strike from somebody if that person just really just dislikes, you know, the fact of people, you know, reacting to their content, and they just feel like striking you. But that happens on a rare occasion. I've heard people did get it. They may get 1 or 2 strikes. If you get 1 or 2 strikes, you might be on, you know, like a little restriction maybe for 30 days, not having to post content or something like that. Like, pretty much you get put on timeout like you're a kid or something. Like, you're on punishment, then you get out of punishment. So, you know, it's temporary, but 3 strikes, yeah, you don't want to get 3 strikes. Your whole channel could be gone. All that hard work and stuff you put in could be wasted, man. So really do your research, man. Do your due diligence, man. If you're going to be a reaction channel, if you want to be a reactor, go for it, you know. But understand the rules and regulations that come with it. Understand that, you know, not all of your videos are going to be good. Like, you're going to have videos that's going to get copyrighted. That's just what it is, you know. That's the name of the game, you know. But continue to keep putting out content because you genuinely like putting out content. You genuinely like making people laugh. You like entertaining people. You like just posting content because it's your hobby, it's your passion. You know, it's what you love to do. Just keep going. Like, don't give up on yourself, and don't let it discourage you from not making a reaction channel just because you can get copyrighted. Like, it's not the end of the world, man. It's not the end of the world. Sometimes it sucks. I'm not gonna lie, it sucks sometimes. You know, especially, you know, if you're trying to pursue this as a career, like if you're trying to get paid, this is like a side hustle for you, or you're trying to do this full time. It's kind of hard because a lot of your content, your artwork is not, you're not making no money from it. So it's like, you know, but yeah, other than that, let me see, is there anything else I could put out there? Yeah, man, so we can just go over a little overview, you know, make sure, you know, you're pausing it, you know, maybe every 20 seconds, 30 seconds, or just try to pause it within the video. When you're editing the video after you've already filmed it, you can, you know, edit this, the voices, the sound, you know, tweak it a little bit if you want to, so that you can get around copyright. You know, you can just react to non-music. A lot of non-music, you know, it's good to go. Music, 9 times out of 10, it'll get copyrighted. Sometimes you can slide by and get through it, but, you know, it's another thing. I would say, yeah, you know, do your research online, you know, research these companies, you know. And yeah, that's some pretty good tips, man. Some strategies how you can possibly not get copyrighted. But, man, I ain't gonna lie to you. It's a tough game, you know what I'm saying? But I love the game, you know what I'm saying? I love the game. I love the hustle, you feel me? I like to put out the content, so it's all good, you know? But if y'all like this video, man, hit the like button for me. Comment down below if this provided value. This helped you guys out. I hope you guys, you know, start your channels or gain some knowledge from this video, and you're gonna apply it and use it to your ability. And yeah, man, JD Live is out. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all didn't. Roll to 10K. You already know. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.